importance of alligator pepper. What is alligator pepper? Alligator pepper in Igbo language is known as osoji. You can use it for your health issues, and also you can use it for spiritual purposes. Like I always said, health is wealth. If you want to get wealth, you have to make sure you have a sound health first. Because without sound health, how can you make a wealth, a generational wealth? It's not possible. So I want to talk about how you can use alligator pepper to clear sore throat. If you're always having sore throat or you always cough, you understand, and the cough is kind of heavy, this is how you can do it. How you can heal yourself with alligator pepper. Makana osoji anage jijife, just like a spirit. Whatever you tell it, it gives to you, be it spiritual purposes or health wise. So this is it. Go and get 8 seed of alligator pepper. Chew it every 3 days in the morning. Just see how it works for you.